Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we're going to cook hairy gourd soup with salted duck egg. Here's are the marinade ingredients. We have pork lean, we have chicken soup, cornstarch, sugar, and here's are the cooking ingredients. We have pork marinated, ginger, dried scallop, dried hairy gourd, salty duck egg. But before cooking, we have soaked the dried scallop first. Let's start cooking. Boil the water with ginger first. After boil the water, put hairy gourd, add dried scallop, add duck egg yolk, cook around 10 minutes. Add marinated pork. Then cover. After 10 minutes, add egg white. Then mix together and cook a little bit for more 5 minutes. Done cooking. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.